Hey people, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to hide gaming activity from other players. So if you don't want your friends or any other player knowing which games you are playing, you can change this in the settings. So first what you want to do is come up to the top settings here. Then you want to come down to users and accounts. And now you want privacy. And you can come down to adjust privacy settings by choosing a profile. And each one of these profiles will depend on which activities your friends and online players can see. So you can go through each one of them and choose which one you'd prefer. Or if you simply just want to hide a game that you don't want your friends to see, you can come back into the main settings here and select view and customize your privacy settings. Now here you can choose all different things that you want people to see or not see. However, if you want to hide a game, you come down to your activity section and hide your games from other players. Now here it'll list all the games that you have on your console. So let's say I don't want my friends to see that I'm either playing or have Tony Hawk. So I'd simply toggle that on and none of your friends or anyone else will be able to see that you have Tony Hawk with that toggled on. I hope that helps you out and thanks for watching.